If you're looking for decent and affordable true wireless earbuds that gives you the perfect audio experience, then hope this video may help you to make your choice. This is the review for Mifo 09 Touch Key Bluetooth Stereo Earbuds. Now without wasting any time, let's just get straight into the video. Hello and welcome back to the channel, and if you are interested in getting in this earbud, please check the link in the description below. Once again, thanks to the Mifo for sending these out for review. Bear in mind the unboxing experience is little different. You will find a printed quick start guide on the top and rest of the contents are carefully placed in below. Inside you will get these earbuds with the charging case. There are another two different boxes inside. And you will get this nice little wrist strap that made from a leather material. It is very well made one with the Mifo logo attached. You can easily attach it with the charging case if you want. And you will get this instruction guide that has a setup guide printed in case if you need, and followed by different size silicone ear tips. Inside the last box you will get this nice green color Type-C USB charging cable. Let's start with the design and the build quality. This case is very light in weight and perfectly fits in the trouser pocket. However, it is made out from plastic, but Mifo has kept their premium and stylish look. You will see the charging port and the charging indicator on this side and the wrist strap holder on the other side. Case has soft touch and solid look with the light grey finish. You can easily flip open the lid to access the earbuds. It has 3 LED indicators that shows you the remaining battery for the case. Magnetizing, they are holding the earbuds really well, and as you can see they are not falling off. With the charging case you will get around 20 hours of playback time, and earbuds can be used around 7 hours when they fully charged. The case can be charged using either Type-C cable or using a wireless charger, which is more convenient than cable charging. It takes 1 hour and 15 minutes to fully charge the wireless earbuds when using the wireless charging. However, 10 minutes charge will allow you to use around half an hour. This case weighs about 40 grams and it is perfect for traveling because of the light weight. Having said that, let's quickly check the earbuds. It's weight about 5 grams each, and thanks to the light weight and comfortable design, you can get quality audio experience. This earbuds has silver top with white back. Setting up with your smartphone is very easy, just simply follow the on-screen instructions. Thanks to the Bluetooth 5.0, you will get fast and stable connection as well as low power consumption and low latency. It can be automatically paired with your phone when taking out from the charging case. It has smart touch control feature that allow you to control your phone. Let's check the touch controls. With this Mifo 09, you only can control is play and pause or answer and end a phone call. However, microphone is quite clear on calls. Unfortunately, it doesn't support next or previous track, volume control or activate voice assistant services. Earbuds has 2 microphones. When you long press about 2 seconds, it will activate the transparent hearing mode. It allows you to hear the outside noise without having to take them off. Earbuds fits very comfortable and very lightweight, even though with Mifo's minimalistic design. Inside the earbud it has 6mm drivers under the mesh grill. Also comes with the dynamic drivers. Once again, thanks to the TWS mode, you can use one earbud at a time. With my user experience, I can confirm it can deliver decent level bass, clear vocal and high tones, so overall can enjoy premium sound quality. These are IP67 Waterproof earbuds. You can use them in most outdoor conditions and perfect for when running or to use any other outdoor activities. Before we wrap this up, I would like to express what Mifo can do to improve the quality of this particular model. Touch sensitivity need to be more accurate, and wish it can have more touch options like volume and track controls. And last, quick charge feature need to be improved. Apart from those, overall these earbuds are absolutely fine for someone who would like to get a decent and true wireless audio experience for an affordable price. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and don't forget to leave a comment what you think about this Mifo 09. If you like the review, please hit the like button, and thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again on next video.